Did you know that you can use a spreadsheet to avoid manually copying and pasting a value?
As part of my print-on-demand business, I am selling sweatshirts with the name of states. And I have this text that has the name of the state 3 times. Now I needed to get this updated for every single state in order to have a good description for the product. Now, one may think, hey, you should just use find and replace. I can't really do that because one of the state names is in all caps. So I decided to use a spreadsheet to help me with that. In a column, I have all the names of the states. And then in another column, I put the text that I need. So Groovy stays the same for every single one of them. And then I add whatever it is that the name of the state is, and Comfort Sweatshirt available in multiple colors. There are a couple of different ways that you can add text in a spreadsheet. I am just using an ampersand between each section of text that I want with double quotation marks around each text. And then I have another column that has those 2 very long paragraphs. I'm using a function in Excel, it's upper, that will get whatever text you are telling it to use and make that uppercase. And then I'm also putting a couple line breaks in here with a character function to help me already have those paragraphs. Everything else on the description, it's the same. So once I've done that once, it was super easy to just drop the formula down for every single state.
Did you know the spreadsheet could do that? Follow me for more tips in how to save time with the spreadsheet.